Yo, 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 ladies and gentlemen and ladies, welcome back to the channel for another video. A few weeks ago, I posted a video of me replacing the grill. And remember, I told you I was gonna have some things painted. Well, my boys at Fisher's Auto Body here in Mechanicsburg, they hooked me up, painted everything I needed done. But the first thing I need to do before I show you guys this is I need to give her a bath. She's filthy. I mean, look at her, she is nasty. Look at all the body dust, all the compound from wet sanding and buffing. I mean, it is everywhere. And it's not only on the exterior, it's a little dusty on the interior too. So I need to go over the interior really good, wipe it down, give her a vacuum. And not only because of the dust, but Coverado reached out to me and asked me if I was willing to check out some of their seat covers. But you guys know, I'm not a seat cover person. I know a lot of you are, so I'm hoping these seat covers are good. But before we get into any of that, I need to give Blue a bath. What a difference. In this pretty cool bag, we have some seat covers from Coverado. I know they have blue stitching. I don't think it's the color of blue that I'm looking for, but we'll take them out of the bag and see what they look like. Okay, so here's what they look like. They have them all stuffed inside of each other, which is pretty interesting. And then the headrests, and then the two bottoms. And here are the ones for the rear seat. It also came with a bunch of hardware. Quite a few of these black chucks and a bunch of hooks. Here are the back seat covers laid out. We need 5 chucks and 1 hook. To do this, push down, pull out on the tab, lift up, and it comes up. First thing I need to do is I need to unclip these, because what I'm going to end up doing is taking this one, clipping it into this one, and vice versa on the other side. Now this guy right here is going to slide underneath, and I'm going to push him through. Again, it would be easier if you did it off the car, you think, but I don't think it would be. I think it's just easier enough to do it this way. It actually doesn't fit too bad. Okay, so this is what I was worried about. As you can see, the left rear is in, but I don't have any headrests that remove back here. There's zippers here that you can take the headrest out, slide them back on, and there really is no place to put hooks. So what I did is I took the hooks and I put them where you put the hooks for the baby seat. Put the hooks in, trying to line it up a little straight, and then just take these and just stuff them down in here. All right, so we'll put the centerpiece in. It's just Velcro on either side. So we're just gonna tuck it back behind that. And tuck it back behind this one. Trying to figure out where we want it exactly. And then Velcro to it. Onto the front seats. Each backing of the front seat takes 3 chucks. The bottom of the back seat each takes 2 hooks. And on the back of the seat, it looks like you just gotta take the headrest out, slide it down over top. And then the bottom, it looks like you just run the 2 hooks and connect it to a rail underneath. And then there's straps that run side to side. Let's start with the passenger side. Then you just push the chucks in between the bottom of the seat and the top of the seat. All right, so as you can see, the chucks are there, so it cannot be slid through. What you do is you push them through, spin it around, put it through that other hole, and then it clasps right up against the seat. Now when you're doing this, make sure to go behind the slide rail that slides the seat back. And make sure you're hooking it to metal and not wires. Last thing you want to do is hook it to an airbag wire. The seat covers are in. What do you think? Thank you to Coverado for sending me these seat covers. They have a couple of different colors to choose from. I'll leave a link down in the description. I chose blue. Unfortunately, it's not the kind of blue that I was looking for. I kind of wanted it to be a little darker, just like the car. But other than that, they're not too bad. The back seats were a little bit better than what I thought they were gonna be, and the front seats were better than I thought they were gonna be. For a universal seat cover, they're not that bad. But now the time has come. We need to pull Blue outside so I can show you what I had done to her, and I think you guys are really gonna like it. So what do you think of Blue's new look? What do you think about the seat covers? Let me know in the comments below.